Allied Global Engineering is revolutionizing the UK engineering landscape with exciting growth strategies and innovative technology. With the acquisition of EGL Vaughan, a trusted CNC milling company, the journey towards sustainable growth begins. Embracing change, EGL Vaughan shifted from Excel spreadsheets to advanced MRPeasy for production management efficiencies. The implementation was swift, with MRPeasy features coming online within just a single weekend in June 2023. Employee training was critical during the transition, ensuring staff swiftly adapted to the new streamlined system. "It used to take 2 hours to launch production," Jan-Mark lamented, thankful for MRPeasy's transformative impact. The software's automatic lot number generation has vastly improved traceability across the entire manufacturing process. With administrative tasks reduced by an astonishing 70%, EGL Vaughan is now more agile and responsive. Jan-Mark advises other manufacturers to embrace a staged implementation and communicate benefits clearly to their teams. As MRPeasy continues to evolve, EGL Vaughan's future is bright, showcasing the strength of legacy and innovation combined.